Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, in this video we'll be discussing about tomorrow's important levels for Nifty 50 and also Bank Nifty, okay? So we'll be doing the analysis of Nifty 50, that is our market, and also the Bank Nifty. So we'll be telling you what are the important support and resistance level for tomorrow's trading on our Nifty, and not only that, we'll be telling you the stock pick for tomorrow, which will be in a positive and a negative manner, okay? So I'll be telling you all these things details for tomorrow's intraday trading. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the tomorrow's intraday trading setup. So guys, there is an offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account, which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account, okay? And also, once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, firstly coming to the Nifty. So if you guys can see Nifty on the last week, so on the last week of the first day, the Nifty fell down. Okay, so it almost 2% down it was closing, 2 to 3% down, and from that next day the Nifty started recovering, and the whole week the Nifty was in a recovery process. And now on Friday it has almost recovered whatever it has fallen on the first day of the last week. Okay, so right now if you guys can see, so you can see how the Nifty is now looking. Okay, so from here if you guys can see this line, so this is how the Nifty is looking right now. So if it's able to break all this line and go to a upper side, then we can see a little bit on higher side. But as you guys know, there's a lot of lockdown and all these things news going on in our India, so maybe we can expect downward movement, but we are not sure about it. So this video is about not predicting what will happen on tomorrow. This is about however the market will open. So this is our levels. Okay, if you follow this, you will be in a safer side. So that's what I mean to tell. Okay, so now let's see the important support level for tomorrow's trading. So the first support level will be around 14,551, and the second support will be around 14,483 or 82. Okay, so around 14,480. and the resistance level will come up to 14,700. So if the 14,700 is breaking, then the next resistance level will be at 14,763. If this 14,750 or 760 breaks, then easily it can go up to 15,000. So before that, 14,900 will be somewhere in a rough level where I can sell you, and then once that 14,900 breaks, then it will go to 15,000 plus. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So we'll see. So however the market will open, so this will be a support and resistance level. If there is a much of a gap down, then we can expect like 14,551 to be the resistance level, in case if it's opening in some much gap down level. Okay, so this is about the Nifty 50. Now let's come to the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty support is at 31,818. So the first support is at 31,820 or 818, and the next support comes at 31,653, and the resistance level are now placed at 32,235, and the next resistance level will come around 32,450. Okay, so even Bank Nifty will also be same movement as a Nifty 50. Okay, so whichever side it moves, we can take a control over that. Okay, so these are the support and resistance level for the tomorrow's Bank Nifty trading. So if you're a Bank Nifty trader, you can note down this level, which will help you for tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, and this was about the analysis which I did about Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty. So now let's talk about the stock which are in news for tomorrow and which will say a positive or negative side tomorrow. Okay, so guys, these two stocks which is the stock which I picked for tomorrow, that is Mindtree. So the news in the Mindtree is that the company reported 2.8% decline in Q4 financial year 21 profit at 317.3 crore against quarter third financial year 21 it has booked 326.5 profit, but now it has booked 317.3 crore. So revenue rose to 2109.3 crore against 2023.7 crore in the previous quarter. So according to this, they have booked a percentage of a profit is less, so might be the reason why the stock will go down tomorrow. And coming to the Airtel, so the government of Ghana will acquire 100% share of Airtel Tigo along with all customers, assets and liability. The government of Ghana, Bharti Airtel and Millicom International Cellular SA have executed the definitive agreement to transfer Airtel Tigo to the government of Ghana and on ongoing consent basis. So they have a new agreement between Ghana and Bharti Airtel, Airtel Tigo. So these three communications are getting together with the Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel might go up tomorrow by saying this news. Okay, so Mindtree might come down according to my view, and Bharti Airtel might go up. Okay, this is just a news and prediction. Okay, I'm not telling you to trade on this. You can just observe. Okay, and these are the important support and resistance for the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, which you can observe for tomorrow's trading. Okay, so if you guys like this analysis and if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribe. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.